at the final results of the room. Now, as you see, I still have my load of clothes, but I'm making progress. And if you remember, right over here is where I had a bunch of clothes, had a bunch of stuff over there on the nightstand. I kind of combined it into that bin. Over here I had a load of stuff on the other nightstand. I had a bunch of things all over the floor everywhere. And one of the tips that I've got is to put hooks over the door instead of having things on my bench. So we're going to try that out and see how it works. So I still need a little bit of organization over here for my jewelry. Maybe someone has some tips for jewelry organization. I'm still keeping this for some reason. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. But I'm very happy with the results and the methods that I've learned on YouTube. And it wasn't so intimidating once I just got started. And as you guys see, it took me about 40 minutes to finish it. All right, you guys share your tips with me on how you keep your room clean and organized, and how you guys get over that slump when you have so much stuff. It's just overwhelming.